Guess the actions in English. He is dash his earphones. He is untangling his earphones. She is dash her mouth. She is rinsing her mouth. He is dash his hair. He is combing his hair. She is dash her coffee. She is stirring her coffee. He is dash his shoelaces. He is tying his shoelaces. He is dash the washing machine. He is loading the washing machine. She is dash in her notebook. She is scribbling in her notebook. He is dash up his jacket. He is zipping up his jacket. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.